ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ನೈಟ್ ರೂಮಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ನೈಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಹೋಗ್ತೇನೆ ನೈಟ್ ರೂಮಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತೇನೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಆಡಿಯೋ ಹಾಕೋಣ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಕೇಬಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಕೇಬಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಜಾಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಮೈಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇವಾಗ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಹೋದಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಿಂಟೌಟ್ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ
is arriving to the hall. I request the President of the Association to kindly escort His Lordship to the dais. May we commence the function with your Lordship? Yes. Good evening, everyone. We have all gathered here to extend a warm and heartily welcome to His Lordship, Hon'ble Chief Justice Prasanna Varale, the Chief Justice of the High Court of Karnataka, who has recently assumed charge of the office as the Hon'ble Chief Justice on 15th of October 2022. My Lord, we are overwhelmed to have you with us this evening. We are grateful for your Lordship for having accepted our invitation and being here with us this evening. I request Srimati Poonima N. Pai, Additional Judge, Court of Small Causes, to kindly do the invocation.
विश्वास कमजोर होना, इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना, इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। दूर अज्ञान के हो अंधेरे, तो हमें ज्ञान की रोशनी दे, हर बुराई से बचते रहे हम, जितने भी दे भले जिंदगी दे। बैर होना किसी का किसी से, भावना मन में बदले की होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना, इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना, भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना।
Thank you for that wonderful devotional song, madam. I request Srimati P. N. Sujata, the President of the Karnataka State Judicial Office Association, to kindly deliver the welcome address.
Respected officers, good evening. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ತುಳಸಿ ಹಬ್ಬದ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. His Lordship Honorable Shri Justice Prasanna Balachandra Varale, Chief Justice of Honorable High Court of Karnataka, Shri Murlidhar Pai B, Registrar General, Honorable High Court of Karnataka, Shri Ramachandra D. Uddar, Principal District and Sessions Judge, City Civil Court, Bengaluru, Shri Venkatesh Nayak, Principal District and Sessions Judge, Bengaluru Rural District, Bengaluru, Shri Tyagraj N. Inavali, Chief Judge, Court of Small Causes, Bengaluru, Srimati Prabhavati M. Hiremat, Principal Law Secretary, Government of Karnataka, Shri K.S. Bharat Kumar, Registrar Vigilance, Honorable High Court of Karnataka, and team of Registrars of Honorable High Court of Karnataka, Srimati Mahalakshmi Nerle, Presiding Officer, Karnataka State Transport Appellate Tribunal, Bengaluru, Shri Sangreshi, Chief Judge, Family Court, Bangalore. Shri J.N. Subramania, Presiding Officer, Industrial Tribunal, Bangalore. Shri Narahari Prabhakar Marathe, Additional Director, Karnataka Judicial Academy, Bangalore. Officers of other unit heads. Shri H.K. Umesh, Secretary, Office Bearers of the Karnataka State Judicial Officers Association, my brother and sister officers. We have assembled here to welcome His Lordship, Honorable Shri Justice Prasanna Balachandra Varale, Chief Justice of Hon'ble High Court of Karnataka. That on 30th September 2022, the Honorable Supreme Court Collegium recommended elevation of His Lordship as Chief Justice of Hon'ble High Court of Karnataka. His Lordship assumed office as Chief Justice of Hon'ble High Court of Karnataka on 15th October 2020, and we are here to welcome His Lordship. On this occasion, I feel privileged and honored to welcome and offer bouquet to His Lordship. My Lord, the office bearers of the Karnataka State Judicial Officers Association have expressed their desire to offer flower to your Lordship as a token of respect. With kind leave of your Honor, I request the office bearers to come over the dais to offer flower to His Lordship. Firstly, I call upon Shri Kengabalaya, Vice President. My Lord, he is the Vice President of our association, Shri Kengabalaya. H.K. Umesh, General Secretary. Harisha, Treasurer. Babu N, Joint Secretary. Now I call upon the Executive Committee members to come out the dais to offer flower to His Lordship. Firstly, I call Shri H.A. Mohan. Sindhu Poteda, Divyashri CM, Mohan Gowda ME, and Sharat Chandra. Thank you, my Lord. Thank you, my Lord. Now I would like to give a brief introduction of His Lordship. His Lordship Honorable Shri Justice Prasanna Balachandra Varale was born on 23rd of June 1962 at Nipmani, the then Mysore State, now in Belgavi district of Karnataka State. His Lordship has been graduated in arts. His Lordship has been graduated in Arts and Law from Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar Marathwada University in Maharashtra, and His Lordship joined the chambers of a leading advocate by name Shri S.N. Loya and started to practice in the year 1985 on civil and criminal side. His Lordship served as a lecturer of law at Ambedkar Law College, Aurangabad from 1990 to 1992 and worked as Assistant Government Leader and Additional Public Prosecutor of Bombay High Court Bench at Highland, Aurangabad, and as an Additional Standing Counsel for the Central Government. His Lordship was elevated as a Judge of Bombay High Court on 18th July 2008 and was appointed as Permanent Judge on 15th July 2011. His Lordship served as Judge of Bombay High Court till 14th October 2022. That is for almost 14 years. His Lordship succeeded Honorable Shri Justice Rituraj Avasthi, who retired as Chief Justice of Hon'ble High Court of Karnataka on 1st of July this year. His Lordship, Honorable Shri Justice Alok Arade was officiating as Acting Chief Justice of Honorable High Court of Karnataka till His Lordship, Honorable Shri Justice Prasanna Varale assumed office on 15th October 2022 as the Chief Justice of the Honorable High Court of Karnataka. His Lordship is happily married to Srimati Geeta Varale and is blessed with 2 children, son by name Lohit Prasanna Varale and daughter Miss Ritu Priya Varale. Am I right, my lord? As President of the Karnataka State Judicial Officers Association, I am fortunate to welcome His Lordship as the Chief Justice of the Honorable High Court of Karnataka. I, on behalf of all the judicial officers of the state, wish His Lordship a great success in the years to come. Thank you, my lord.
Thank you, madam, for the welcome address. I also welcome you to this function. I request the General Secretary to offer a flower to madam. Thank you, madam. My lord, as a token of respect and gratitude, we intend to offer a humble felicitation to your lordship, and we request to accept, and I request all the dignitaries of the dais to kindly felicitate his lordship.
Central.
Thank you all.
Let us all join hands by a round of applause in felicitating his lordship. Next is felicitation by Karnataka State Judicial Officers Credit Cooperative Society. I request the President and the office bearers to kindly come on and felicitate his lordship.
ಪ್ರೇಮಲ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
The next is by Karnataka State Judicial Employees Association. I request the President and the office bearers to kindly come on dais and offer the presentation. And the Subordinate Force Employees Credit Cooperative Society also intends to felicitate his lordship. I request the office bearers to come on dais. They are the office bearers of Subordinate Force Employees Credit Cooperative Society. Thank you, my lord. Thank you for accepting our humble felicitation. Thank you, my lord. I'm sure everyone is waiting eagerly to hear His Lordship. I request His Lordship to kindly address the gathering.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. The President and Office Bearers of the Karnataka State Judicial Officers Association, the learned unit heads of the various judicial units at Bengaluru, the registrars of our High Court, Shri Paiji, who is occupying the dais, other registrars, learned judicial officers, ladies and gentlemen, I am really overwhelmed and deeply touched by the love and affection shown by all of you. Even if I could have a little idea that my felicitation would be such nice, such beautiful, such warm, I could have brought my wife also to witness this warmth and affection shown by all of you to me. And I'm sure that there's a little additional element to that, as I was born in this state, so it was something family touch of affection to this program. Let me also share with you, when it was proposed for attending this function of felicitation by judicial officers, apart from the position I am being occupying as Chief Justice of this court and the head of the family, there was also another reason for me to accept your invitation immediately. That was a bit more personal, and I must share with you. My father started his career as a lawyer in Aurangabad. Then was selected as a judicial officer, and then by promotions he secured the position as district judge, principal district judge, registrar of Bombay High Court, registrar of Lokayukta. So it was something for me that it's my family welcoming me. And in such a situation, I could have no other option but to accept your invitation, being a family invitation. So this was a reason which prompted me to accept your invitation immediately. I first of all congratulate all of you for getting the approval of the pay revision from the government, and shortly you will be getting the benefits of new pay revision. The edifice of the administration of justice rests on the shoulder of district judicial. It has to be kept in mind that a person seeking justice has the first exposure to the justice delivery system at the level of district judicial. It is absolutely necessary that the ordinary litigant's faith in the judiciary is kept intact. As we all see, for small issues, for the oppression and depression from those who are mighty in the society at the individual level, or suppressed by the government officers at various levels, all these people look at you as the last resort for the justice, and we have to keep their faith intact. They see to these buildings, not the buildings of the stones and walls and cement and concrete, but for them, for each litigant, this building is a live building, this building is a temple of justice. And when the litigant comes to this building, whatever possible with our conscience, with our judicial training, we are delivering the goods, and we are an able partner in the justice delivery system. We are giving something to the society in return. Judicial officer in district court as such performs a pious duty in the service of justice. Standards of probity, conduct and integrity of a judicial officer in discharge of duties must be of high standards. I am told that all of you have performed well even during the pandemic by adopting modern technology. It was certainly a phase everybody had gone through, unforeseen, never dreamt of, but then yes, you all, with the guidance of my senior colleagues at whatever stations, whatever the states, serve this institute in these most difficult times. However, there is much to be done, as because of this unforeseen situation, the loss of the working days was there. We were unable to deliver the goods. The disposal was not as it was expected because of these unforeseen difficulties. The low disposal was recorded during the pandemic, but then now fortunately that era has gone and we are now in a change scenario, change situation. So I hope and expect from you that you will work hard and make more sacrifices and ultimately deliver the justice, which is the aim and object of this justice delivery system. I was also made aware that there are certain old cases pending. Some cases are more than 5 years pending in the court. I know that there are the difficulties with the judicial officers. It is not because of something which they are not wanting to do, but for some difficulties they may not be in a position to dispose the cases. But then now all will have to take more efforts and see that this loss caused to the system is compensated by more disposal, and let us give a signal to the society that okay, bygones are bygones, but now henceforth we are uncharged, we are ready for the delivery as expected by the litigant. I must also share with you that there are these cases where either they are in relation to the senior citizens or women or children who are the litigants before the case, before the court, or the matters relating to these classes of the society. There are certain classes, marginalized sectors of the society. So let us try by joining hands and together and see that some priority is given to these type of the cases or these type of the litigants, so that they are returning from these temples of justice with a smile on their face. Whenever these cases are posted for framing charges, recording 313 statement, pronouncing orders, I appeal to all of you that there is normally a tendency that sometimes the lawyers pray for adjournments, sometimes you know that these are the unnecessary adjournments. Sometimes you feel that though it is unnecessary adjournment for some reason or the other reason, then you grant an adjournment. But at times now, these are the times where we'll have to be more strict and avoid such unnecessary adjournments. At times it may be at the cost of displeasure by the lawyer concerned, but then we'll have to see the litigant who is waiting for a longer period, he should not wait for further period only for some unnecessary adjournment is sought for by the lawyer. I am also made aware that the judicial officers are performing very nice, giving best of them in the alternate dispute resolution drives, such like Lok Adalats. Brother Virappa, who is my senior brother in Karnataka, is also taking all the required steps and charging all the judicial officers and other colleagues also I hope now in this coming Lok Adalat, all the judicial officers would again strive their best to see whatever records we have set by state of Karnataka. If we can break the record, it's wonderful. If we cannot break, but at least we'll maintain that record. So I hope and expect this word from you that you will maintain this record and help all the judicial system and the alternate dispute resolution systems. The Karnataka state judiciary fortunately is having the good infrastructural facilities. I am told the state is also positively considering the demands. If now the state is coming forward by providing all necessary infrastructural facilities, it's our duty in turn to see that these facilities are utilized at their best, and then we may again give the best of it in turn to the state. The judicial officers are certainly rendering valuable service, but then, as it is always said, that there is a scope for further enhancement in the delivery. I am sure that you all are of such having such enthusiasm, such energy. I can see from all of your faces that your charge, your energy certainly at another level. So keeping all this energy alive, keeping this urge to serve the society, urge to serve this justice delivery system, you will certainly assist all of us, my brothers who are there at the higher places, or you are the senior officials. You can certainly seek their assistance in cases of difficulty, but this is a joint effort. Like it is said, you must be knowing that I'm not sure how it can be in the Kannada, but in Marathi it is said that Jagannathacha Rath hai. You must be knowing this Orissa temple, Jagannath. The chariot is being carried, and every finger of a person touched to the chariot leads the chariot ahead, and this is how the procession praise the Almighty. And this chariot of justice, all of us must just put our hands together and see that the chariot of justice is rolled and rolling, and keep this chariot of justice rolling. With best wishes to all of you, thanking you for inviting me, and take your leave.
Function, and we'll be very happy to have his lordship and the entire family. Thank you. We are coming to the end of the function. I request Shri H.K. Umesh, General Secretary of the Association, to render the vote of thanks.
At the outset, my Lord, on behalf of Association and also on behalf of all the judicial officers of Karnataka, we assure you, my Lord, we will carry out the work under your guidance, and we will dispose of more number of cases. Our association is grateful to His Lordship, Honorable Mr. Justice Prasanna B. Varale, for accepting our invitation and felicitation on the eve of His Lordship assumed the office of as Chief Justice of Hon'ble High Court of Karnataka, Bengaluru. Thank you, my Lord, for giving us your value. On behalf of Association, we also thank Honorable Shri Muralidhara Pai, Registrar General, Hon'ble High Court of Karnataka, for gracing the occasion. Thank you. On behalf of Association, we also thank Honorable Shri Ramchandra D. Uddar, Principal City Civil and Sessions Judge, Bengaluru City, Shri T.N. Vinavadisa, Chief Judge, Court of Malkas, Bengaluru, and Shri Honorable Venkatesh Nayak Sir, Principal District and Sessions Judge, Bengaluru Rural District, for making the event successful with your presence. I also thank Honorable Registrar Vigilance and other Honorable Registrars of Hon'ble High Court of Karnataka for your presence and support. I also thank Honorable Principal Law Secretary, Government of Karnataka, Honorable Director, Judicial Academy, Honorable Chief Judge, Family Court, Bengaluru, and all other dignitaries who are present and gave their support for the success of this event. I also thank all the honorable district judges and my brother and sister judges is making this event successful with your presence. I also thank all the honorable principal district and session judges of all district and other district judges and senior civil judges and civil judges who have joined this program virtually and making this event successfully with your presence virtually. I also thank our President, Srimati Sujata, Vice President, Treasurer and Joint Secretary and all other executive committee members for making this event successful. I also thank the Registrar of City Civil Court and his team for providing us conference hall and nice arrangements. I also thank all photographers and other staff members and all others who have helped us directly and indirectly for this for their valuable assistance. Thank you one and all for giving this opportunity. Thank you.
Before we end this session, my lords, with your permission, can we have a photograph along with the office bearers and all the dignitaries on the dais? I request the office bearers of the association to thank you for that.
चोट ले गया डबल
Our judicial training, we are delivering the goods and we are an able partner in the justice delivery system. We are giving something to the society in return. Judicial officer in district court as such performs a pious duty in the service of justice. Standards of probity, conduct and integrity of a